Hi, I'm Omar, and this is a crash course in data analytics. In today's episode, we will talk about formulas in Excel. Typical formula is made of several key components. The equal sign starts the formula off and let Excel know you are creating a formula in this cell. Suppose you want to add up January and February sales of vegetables. You would start by typing an equal sign, let Excel know you are entering a formula here, and then you type in the function you wish to use. In this case, the sum function. Next, you type in an open parentheses. Then you select your cell range, which in this case would be E2 and E3. And if you wanted to add March sales as well, then you would have to extend the cell range to include E4. So you could type E2, E3, E4 as your range and it will work. Instead of that, you can just put a column between the first and the last values in your range. To total these columns up and add some tags, you would add some headings first for subtotals and tags at 20%. Then your formula will need to multiply the value in subtotals by 20%. If you want to add up all column subtotals and calculate the taxes, then you could repeat the previous process for each column with autofill feature we talked about in the previous episode. And now you need a row for showing the totals. The calculation here is simply the subtotal value in cell B15 added to the tax in B16. If you want to total the sales of all products by month, you would add a column headings. With autofill, you can handle the rest. Note that it is better to double click here rather than drag it down, as if you have a lot of data, that would be easier for you. Finally, let's format all these values to use the US dollar currency format. Let's look at some common functions used for statistical calculations. We will talk about their meanings more in the future. We will add some row headings for average, minimum, maximum, count, and median. Then in cell B20, let's work out the average of the vegetable sales for the year. From the table above, on the Home tab, in the Editing group, we click the AutoSum drop-down list and we can choose the function minimum, maximum, count, and median with the same way. But note that for median, you need to select more functions from the AutoSum list and then select statistical as the category and scroll down to find the median function. There are another 400 plus other functions available. We will talk about some of them later on in this course. For more, subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn in the description.